I'm about to show you how to make a healthy breakfast using waffles. All right, just because you're making waffles doesn't mean you have to top them with sugar and syrup and a bunch of other stuff that's not healthy. So what I'm gonna do is add some healthy stuff to my waffle. So I took my paleo waffle mix, made a waffle, and then I just cut it in half. It's nice and crispy. So what I did is, however long it tells you to make them, I just kept it in the waffle maker, probably another 2 minutes. Now I have my pan preheated. I'm gonna add some of my Texana brand olive oil, and I'm gonna add some Cajun heat. I'm gonna see if I can get some spice in my egg that I'm about to cook. Have my oiled heated pan. I'm gonna drop my egg in here. Just throw it in the pan for a second. That way it's gonna cook down a little bit. I put some baby arugula in the pan really quick. Hopefully that soaks up some of that Cajun heat flavor of olive oil. And then now I have this wilted baby arugula. That's done. I'm gonna turn off my egg. I'm gonna top my arugula with this 2% sodium Sartori Classic Parmesan cheese. Egg is so good, it should just slide out of the pan. Let's see if this works. For the last step, I'm gonna top it with some pickled purple onions. Needs a little seasoning, right? I have my no sodium seasoning blend. Add that on top. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this balsamic glaze. And that's it. That looks good.